Question 1. Complete the table with the help of these boxes and use decimals to write the number. So we are given with boxes containing 100 points respectively. These are 10, so writing it as 10 horizontally and vertically 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 10 vertically. That makes 10 into 10 equals to 100 squares. So you can also see various dots that are marked squares. We have to count them. So 10, 20 and 3, 4, 5, 6. That makes 26. So we'll write 0.26 because if they are all marked with dots, that would make 1. So hundredths is 6 and tenths is 2, so therefore 0.26. There are no zeros. That makes question A. B part, in first we have all darked, all encircled. So we have 1 ones. So we'll write 1 in place of ones. Similarly, writing in the box. Now counting them. 10, 20, 30. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are 1.38. Never pronounce it as 1.38. It is 1.38. C part, 1 again. Now counting them. 10, 20, 2 less than 30. So it would be 28. So 1.28, not 1.28. So that makes your question number first, C part. Question 2. Write the numbers given in the following place value table in decimal form. We have to write the numbers in decimal form. So A part, no hundreds, no tens, 3 ones are there. So we'll write 3 plus 2 over 10 because tenths are represented by dividing it by 10. Similarly with hundredths, 5 over 100, and writing the last one is 0. We don't have to write it, or we may. So 3 plus 0.2 because only 1 0 is there, plus 0.02 because 2 zeros are in the denominator. So that would be 3.25. Adding them all. First put the decimal, then it become easier. 25. And the whole part is 3. 25 is a decimal part. Remember it. So that makes question A. B is 101. We have 100. So we'll write 100 as it is. Add no tens but 2 ones. So 0 for tens and 2 ones. Now dot part. It is again 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.3. No thousands. Now adding it, first put the decimal. Towards right side we have 6 plus 0 could give you 6. We have 3, and now the whole part, 2 in ones position, 0 in tens position, and 1 in hundreds position. Now the C part. Tens, we have 3 tens, that is 30. No ones, no tens. Hundreds, we have 2. So first we'll put decimal, then 0, 2. Now we have thousands also. That would be plus 0, 0, 5. Adding them up, first put the decimal, 3, 0, 0, 2, 5. That makes our C part. D part, we have 200. We'll write straight away. Tens, we have 10, therefore 10. In ones position, we have 1. Filling other parts with zeros makes it clear. So 0.9, and 0.02 zeros, and adding them up, 9, 0, 2, 2, 1, 1. So it would be 211.902. 211.902, not 902. Then the E part, the final part, tens, 10.0 for ones, 2, tenths is 0.2, hundredths would be 0.04, and thousands would be 0.001. Adding them up, adding is the easiest part. It gives you 12.241. Question third. Write the following decimals in the place value table. So we have to first make value table. This is your place value table that depicts various places. So now we'll put decimal part, because decimal is separated by ones and tenths. So 0.29, just representing all the given numbers into this place value table. Second is we have 0, 8 and 2 as a whole part. So likewise we'll do all of them. Now it's 90.60. So first put 19 as a whole part, then 6, 0. 148.32. And the last part is 200. So writing 200.812. That makes your question number third. And filling others places with 0. Question 4. Write each of the following as decimals. So we have to write all these fractions into decimal form. So 20 plus 9 plus 0.4 plus 0.01, adding the whole part 29 plus 0.41. That gives you 29.41. 137 plus 0.05 would give you 137.05. C part 0.7 plus 0.06 plus 0.004. So adding them up, 0.764 would be your answer. So 764. C part. Now here 23 plus 0.2 plus 0.006, because we have 3 zeros there, so we have to write 3 digits. 23.206 when you add it. Last part 725, just summing up the whole part. 0.09. So that makes your question 4. Question 5. Write each of the following decimals in words. First, let's write some note. After decimal digits are written individually, that is, after, as I have stated earlier also, they are written individually. So 0.03, 0.03. That's how you'll write part A. B part. It won't be 1.20. It would be 1.20. That is how you pronounce it. As stated earlier, not 20. That is not 0.20. It would be 0.20. Likewise, we'll do all of them. That is written individually. Keep that point in mind. Big cross to it. Then comes the C part. 108.56. The whole part should be named as numbers are named. 10.07 and 0.032, not 32. And last part is 5.008. That makes us easier to identify decimals. Question 6. Between which two numbers in tens place on the number line does each of the given number lie? So this is tenth place. So we have to depict the range from where the following numbers vary. So 0.00 till 0.10. This is the range where 0.06 falls. So also, therefore, it means 0.0 to 0.1. That is how we'll do all of them. B part 0.45, 0.40 to 0.50. C part 0.10 to 0.20, and it is very close to 0.20 by only 1 point. D part 0.6 to 0.7, and it is again closer to 0.7. E part 0.92 is from 0.9 to 1.0, because after 9 we have to change the place and restart the process. Therefore 0.9 to 1. And the F part 0.5 to 0.6. Write as fractions in lowest terms. We have to represent them all in terms of fractions and then also in simplest form. 60 over 100, 0, 0 cancels. 2 3s are 6, 5 2s are 10. So this gives you 3 over 5. B part 5 over 100, representing in terms of fractions. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 20, 25s are 100. C part 75 over 100. Go with 5, 5 ones are 5, 2 5 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So it gives you 3 over 4. $18 over 100. 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 0. Not further reducible, therefore 9 over 50. E part 25 over 100. Simply goes with 25. 4 into 25 gives you 100. So 1 over 4 or 1 quarters. F 125 over 100. By 20,000, yes. 5 2s are 10, 2 5 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 0 0, 5 5s are 25, so 1 over 8. That's question number 7. G part, 66 over 1000. So it goes with 2, 33 over 500.